Hello, today I am doing an Amazon review for a company that sent me this box and wanted to know if I would do a review for them. I said sure. So let's go ahead and we're going to see what is in here. Well, that shows what's in here. So this is from a company called Crafty Crocodile. And I will leave a link to this in my description box so that y'all can go check this out. So we have got drills and we have got coasters. So here is the toolkit that comes with this. There are 2 single placer pins, about 3 or 4 little baggies in there, a green boat, and a square of wax. So that's all you need to do this project. So I am going to say that I really like the fact that they have sent these cork backs for the coasters. It also comes with this wire coaster stand. So when you get done with your coasters, you can put them right down in there, and you can just take this to a room, and when you need to set your drink down, you just pick your coaster up and set it down. Then when you're done, you can put your coaster back in there. So again, I really like the fact that they sent the cork backing, because a lot of these companies that sell these coasters do not. And then you just don't have any, or you have to go somewhere and purchase them separately. So this is wonderful. All right. So let's look and see what these are going to look like and how many there are. So it looks like we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We've got 8 different coasters. I'm just going to set this to the side so that we can look at the coasters. Now these are acrylic, which means they're just like a plastic. So all of these are going to have on the back, when you get done with your project, you can see there is a plastic backing on there. This is just to keep them from getting scratched and everything while they're, all up against each other. So when you get done doing your design, you're going to pull this off, okay? Don't throw that away. Then you're going to take your cork backing, and this has also got a cover on it because it's sticky. If I can get that off of there. So you're just going to take that off, and then you're going to take your coaster and you're just going to lay it on there. Make sure it's good on there, and then there you go. So when you go to put it on a table, it, for one, won't slide everywhere, and 2, it'll keep your table or your surface from getting scratched. So that is, like I said, really, really good. So here is the first coaster. These are just, they're all different, but they're all mandalas. Yeah. Anyway, there's one. This is the other one. Now, with them being so colorful, I mean, really, they'd go with any decor. And I like that there's 8 of them, because who doesn't like more? So these are really cute. Here's the last 2. So yeah. All right, so let's look at the crystals and the different shapes. There's quite a few. Alright, so we've got some loose bags in here. And that's pretty nice. Look, they stuck them in the middle. A lot of companies, they just throw them in the bag. I don't know how many times I've pulled these strips of drills out, not knowing that there was little bags of special shapes, and I've lost them, or they went flying and I've had to go retrieve them out of the floor because I didn't know they were in there. So, move that. Hopefully y'all can see what these look like. I'm not going to go through all the colors. Y'all can see what they look like. But we've got different sizes. You can see by these two. These are bigger than those. So, lots of different shapes and sizes. Different colors. Those are really pretty. Alright, so now we're getting into the shapes. So look at those. Those are really pretty. 2 bags of those. Very nice. Very nice. And then these other ones. You know these are going to go in the middle. They're like super big. And it tells you on here, so you're not guessing. So, alright, here's how you do this. Each one of these have got a number, okay, as you can see. So all of your bags are going to have a number. Well, y'all can tell where those go. Let's just do one of these bags. So you can see that this first bag of green is number 1. It says you right there, number 1. So you're going to get your coaster. Well, you know what? We'll just stick with this one. I don't think there are any ones in here. So let's look. Let's look for the next number. Or we'll just pick a number. Geez. Number 13. Where is number 13? Alright. So here's bag number 13. So you're going to open this bag and you're going to place them everywhere that says 13. Now, this has got a plastic covering over it. And you're going to peel it back. Just like that. Y'all see the plastic covering? And this is sticky. Okay? So, you're going to take your pen and this wax. And you're going to jab that pen into the wax. Make sure you take and pull the cover off this wax also. And I'm going to show you. Now, I'm not going to open the bag of drills because I don't plan on doing these right this second. But your drill pen is hollow on the end. Here's your square of plastic. And it has, of wax. And it has a piece of plastic on both sides. Okay? And what that does, it just keeps moisture out of it and just keeps it from drying up. So you're just going to take and peel back the plastic on one side of your wax. And you're just going to jab your pen in, twist it around a little bit, pull it out. You're going to see the hole? The wax is in your pen. So you're going to take that bag of drills, open them up. You're going to pour some of them into your little boat. You're going to shake it a little bit and they're going to line up because this boat has got grooves. Alright, can you see them? And the crystals, drills, whatever you got, they're going to line up. And then you're going to take your pen and you're going to touch it and it's going to stick to this wax. And then you just take and pull your plastic back, and you're going to place it wherever you're supposed to place it. And you just diamond paint it. So, easy peasy. It's so simple. There's no... You ain't got to learn to do it. I mean, you just do it. It's a very simple project. Very relaxing. These make great gifts. You could take and give these as a gift for a, somebody who's wanting to learn how to diamond paint, but they don't know if they're going to like it or not. This is great. Just a small project like this. All right. Or you can actually get these, do the project, and then give these as a gift to someone who, I don't know, maybe they got a new house. Maybe it's, maybe they got new furniture or something. Sky's the limit. So I will put this in my, I'll put a link in my description box so that y'all can check this out. And I hope you enjoyed the video, and I appreciate you watching. Thank you.